All right, what's going on, tycoons? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at Ideanomics, IDEX, and this video is from the comment section. All right, this is a request from the viewers, a viewer request. If you have a stock or a crypto, because I do both, you want me to analyze, please let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to do it for you. Okay. With that being said, let's dive straight into it. We are looking at the weekly chart right now. Okay. So basically what I want to show you guys is two things, or is a few things. All right. So we're just going to look at this very simply. This is the main area of trading. Okay. These blue lines right here are basically the support and resistance, like the levels. And this box right here just shows you, okay, this is the main area of trading. When we're above here, we're in bullish territory. Okay. That's when we're making new highs. That's when it's going on these crazy rallies. All right. But below here, below $1.08, it's going all the way down to 28 cents. Okay. So below that main trading level, we're heading down. Okay. It's looking ugly. All right. So it's at a very, very interesting point right now. Okay. So I just wanted to zoom out a little bit and show you guys. So it was very clear. Is it clear? Let me know in the comment sections if it's making sense. All right. I have a whole video in the top right hand corner on how to draw support and resistance. If you want to learn how to do it for yourself, that's a nice tutorial. But I'm already making this video. I've already done it for you guys. So just go ahead and watch this. All right. But anyways, above here, it's bullish, guys. That's clear. And below here, it's bearish. All right. So we're going to zoom in a little bit more on the daily chart. And small caps, in my opinion, are ready. Okay. I don't know if the time is now to buy in, honestly. But I'm going to be getting into small caps as soon as January 2022 comes around. All right. I'm pretty bullish on small caps. They had a disastrous year of 2021. They got murdered by the shorts. And, I think that a lot of people, including myself, are going to be tax loss harvesting, finishing the year off. And I'm not sure if it's going to be Q1 or Q2 of 2022, but I expect to see a nice bullish rally in the small cap sector. Just a hypothesis. Okay. No financial advice, just my opinion. I'm just you guys' friend trying to help you out. All right. Now, with that being said, look at IDX right now, up over 9% on the day. All right. So now that we have already established, and you guys know that this is our main area of trading right here, right? I'm going to make this a different color real quick. So we're in our, basically our main area of trading where IDX is very, very comfortable. Okay. Because this is where it likes to trade at. And if you notice, we bottomed out. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Look at how precise that was. Okay. We came directly to the bottom of that, found support at that support level. And, IDX is up over 9% today. That's all that needs to be said. Okay. This is why I'm looking at small caps. Thank you to the person who requested this video. Let me know if you guys have any IDEX, because you guys are watching that guy Chris Sane, and you guys have been bag holding since like $3 or something. Let me know in the comments below if that's you. I'm here to try to prevent stuff like that by giving you guys the actual charts. Okay. And not just kind of telling you like, okay, we'll buy here and know this or whatever. It's a little bit better when you actually have the support and resistance levels on here. So for the most part, I'm not giga bullish on IDX. I don't think that we're about to see it run up to $3. It very well could do that. It is finding support, but the main thing to remember, guys, is the trend is your friend, right? So don't fight the trend. The trend is your friend. The trend is down right now. All right. So, this is a nice bullish rally. This is nice to see that people are coming in and buying up at these low price levels. But just keep in mind that this can fall further. Okay. So if we break $1.11 as support, then we're going to head down lower, possibly to 81. All right, 81 is going to be our strong support level. And if we break below 81, our bearish price targets are going to be 56 and 28, with 28 being the lows of the chart. Okay. I'm not trying to, scare everyone and say we're going to hit 28. I'm saying that, hey, we're actually, at a pretty good investment level to look at for some swing trades or some long-term investments, because we're at the bottom of its main area of trading. So yeah, it could go a little bit lower, right? And those would be buying opportunities for some long-term positions. But we know that IDX is comfortable trading at $2, trading at $2.50, trading at up close to $3. You know, we know that, you know, if you're getting in at $1.26, below $1.26 right now, you know, $1.26 and below, you know that IDX is very comfortable trading in the 250, $2.50 range. So you can potentially double your money. It's just a matter of patience, right? PAY, patience, all right, is key. And, you know, just knowing, okay, hey, well, we're dipping here. We're dipping to our main support level at 81. If, you know, if we break that main support level at 81, maybe that's my stop loss. Maybe I don't want to lose anymore. I'm not comfortable with the amount. If I bought 100 shares, I'm not comfortable with my money going less than $81. So if it goes below 81, I'll pull out, right? Wait to see if we go to 56, if we go to 28, right? And maybe buy back in with that $80 at a lower price level. Okay. So, you know, just some ideas to think about. All right. If you play options, this can this, you know, is a very risky, but, you know, when it comes to options, volatility and risk is just like the name of the game. So it's really about just having some good analysis. And if you have good enough analysis, for instance, we'll look at the IDEX options for today, and I bet they're up pretty nicely. All right. So look, we have an option chain for January. So IDX is up 8%, and we got call options are up about 10%, 21%, 25%, and 2.5 and the 3 strikes are down. About anything further? Look, yeah, look, these are nice. Okay. The February's are up 37%, 100% on these two. Let's go to April. April's pretty far out. These people are selling right here. That's why these are down. These are up. Yeah. So, you know, if you were expecting you know, a move at these bottom levels, like let's say you were getting in like around here because you thought that we were going to be dropping, well, you're probably up on profit on your calls, you know, if you had a decent enough entry. All right. So, you know, be prepared. There could always be a pullback, but I do like it at these price levels, you know, to start maybe accumulating some long-term positions and getting yourself established for 2022. All right. Because these, you know, these small caps, unless the companies are going to go bankrupt and unless the companies are just, you know, failing as a company, as a business, you know, I mean, they can only go to zero. All right. They're like, and this one's already been beat down to 28 cents before. Okay. So, you know, we could fall lower. It could, you know, we could, worst case, you know, go down to like 28 cents. But, you know, if you're playing long term on this and it's got all-time highs of $5.53, I mean, even if you're willing to wait 5 to 10 years for if it takes that long for it to, you know, go back up to 5.53, and you know, you hold your shares till then, that's still a, you know, a 300-400% gain on your return on your, you know, if you bought 100 shares or 1,000 shares or 10,000 shares right here at these levels, you know, that you could turn that into 50K or 5K or 500. You know, it's just a matter of your trading style, knowing what do you expect from this ticker, what do you expect, you know, getting into this trade. Is it long term or is this a short term trade where you're looking to, you know, take profits quickly? If it is, you need to have a stop loss. All right. And I have some videos right here you guys can click on, giving you guys a stop loss tutorial and also a trailing stop loss tutorial. Those are very vital for short term trading and things like that.